Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to upload a database in SiteGround. First, visit siteground.com website, then click on this login button. Fill in your login credentials and hit login again. Now go to the website's page from the top. And next to the website you want to upload your database for, click on this Site Tools button. Now go from this left side menu, click on Site and select MySQL. To upload a database in SiteGround, you already should have a database created for that. In my case, I already have this database with this label and it has a user. If you don't know how to have that already, just look for another tutorial called how to create a database in SiteGround. Look for it on YouTube, and to get my dedicated or my exact video, add Ben's Experience. After having your database with its label, an assigned user and a password, go to the PHP My Admin tab and hit Access PHP My Admin button. A new window pops up. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained Today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and database inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace, and let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And select your database from here. I will go with this second database. This is why it is better to label your database and also your user for easy management. As you can see, this database does not have any table yet because it is empty. Now to import your database in SiteGround, click on this import button or tab. Click on choose file. Locate your database file in on your computer, and this is mine, and double click it. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and hit this import button and wait a moment. As you can see, in my case the import was quick because the database is very small in terms of this size. Now to see the content of your database, click on structure, and as you can see, these are all the tables inside my database, and this database is for a WordPress website. Just for your information, if your database file is large, it is better to compress it first on your computer before uploading it to PHP or to here into SiteGround. It's the same thing. After compressing the database on your computer, just go back to the to this import, or let's do it on this tutorial. So here I will compress my database. This is the compressed file with the zip extension. Same thing. From this import page, click on choose file, locate your compressed database. As you can see, the original database was 102 kilobytes. Now it only has 22 kilobytes. Double click your compressed database, and but before that I think I need to delete the old tables. To do that, from the structure page, click on check all and select drop. Confirm your drop, and now if I go back to the structure, the database has no tables. And to import my compressed file, click on choose file, double click your compressed file, click on import, and PHP my admin will upload your compressed file and decompress it for you automatically. Now if I go back to the structure tab or page, I will get the same database tables. And this is how to upload a database in SiteGround. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.